Hi, today in this video I will show you how to navigate share data with your mobile to computer, computer to computer without any cable with internet navigate share software. So this video you watch this full video and I show you this how to install navigate share. Open the Google Chrome and search this navigate share Windows software on download, and now download. After download, open this file and install this software. Use without any account. This is MDS PC. This is my wireless name, and I'm receiving data with my phone. So I'm click receive and done. Ready to receive. Now I'm go to my phone, and phone default installed nobody share. So I first check nearby share is okay. Now I'm go to my file. Mark my file and click share button, and up available navigate share. Now click. This is my PC. This is my PC, and now click it, and permission for accept PC accept. Now receiving file. Okay, this is same method. Your computer and computer to computer work.